Welcome to the HR and Leadership Academy, where greatness is cultivated and leaders are born. In today's fast-paced world, effective human resources management and strong leadership are the cornerstones of success. At the HR and Leadership Academy, we're committed to empowering individuals with the knowledge, skills, and insights they need to excel in their roles. Leadership isn't just about managing people, it's about inspiring them to reach their full potential. In HR, it's crucial to create a culture where employees feel valued, supported, and motivated to succeed. Unlock your leadership potential. Master the art of HR management. Transform your workplace culture. Connect with industry experts. Access practical tools and resources. Join a global community of professionals. Whether you're a seasoned HR professional or a rising leader, the HR and Leadership Academy has something for you. Join our community of like-minded professionals, and together, let's shape the future of HR and leadership. Subscribe now and embark on a transformative journey toward HR and leadership excellence with the HR and Leadership Academy. Don't miss out. Subscribe today.